What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dana B Life. Yes, today we have the things that we are going to talk up, I have a topic we want to talk about because I actually watch a video and it kind of, rests on my mind from the other day. I say, I want to voice my opinion. And why? Because the video kind of make me feel some kind of way. Sometimes we as people, we talk and we say some things that might hurt other people's feelings. You know, really hurt my feelings, but I just want to break it down a little bit. If you get what I say, I want to express the video when I hear the other day. So I was on someone live the other day, and the person was saying that a woman cannot grow a boy pitney to be a man. Yes, I heard that and I feel offensive. I feel offensive when I heard that. And I'm like, what? Why would you say that? And it's somebody that I watch all the time. And I said, what? That's what I said to myself. I said, why would she say that? Maybe she don't have an experience, or maybe she have an experience where she grew her son and it did not come out well. I don't know. I'm just saying. I wanted to ask the person, but I didn't. But I'm gonna voice my opinion about it because, listen, guys. As I this book, I wrote this book. I wrote this book, and honestly, I wasn't okay. Let me put it up to you. This is my book, and I talk about my motherhood as a single mother in this book. And let me tell you something. I have one son, and I have 3 daughters from birth, and I have 2 daughters from my husband's side. So total I have 6 kids. Okay, but it's only one son here. It's only one boy. And I couldn't be more proud of him. Before I met my husband, I was a single mother, and I raised my son. My son would tell everyone, my mom raised me on our own because there was no father around. There was no father for my children to say, to look up to as a role model, and them know me, right? So when I heard she said that, as I said, I couldn't be more proud of my son or him carry himself. Oh, let me tell you something. Me not brag, but I have seen boys raised with both parents that have not have the half of the quality that my son have. I'm not brag, I'm not boast, because everybody who know me and everybody who know my son can testify to that. And if you watch that video here, you drop it. Anybody will know me and watch that video here till it reach right here. So please, may I ask you to drop it in the comment section. If you're watching this video till you reach right here, so and you know me, please put it in the comment section. I am asking you, okay? Because I never go anywhere and that people that know me, where my son go to church, where he go to school. You know what them used to call my son? The President Obama, when he used to be in school. They used to call him President Obama. That's the kind of child that I raised. Hold on. That's the kind of child that I raised. When my son was in basic school, he get deputy head boy. The reason why he was deputy head boy, the teacher told me that he, these are stuff that I should put in the book. But I'm telling you guys now, the teacher said to me that he was too quiet and the kids are gonna walk all over him, and that's the reason why he did not get deputy head boy. He went to primary school again and he get deputy head boy. He get deputy head boy because of his attitude and his behavior. He's never into argument with anyone. He's not in an argument. I never go to school. Teacher never call and complain. I never ever had a complaint from teacher about him. He was always respectful and manageable. And everywhere you go, this boy is like that till now. And I'm telling you, he married now and him pretty young. He married and him pretty young. And don't get me wrong, people have flaws and ups and downs daddy. But when me look past some boy pitney of even man but older than him, don't even act like him. I'm not brag, I'm not boast, but me guarantee that them not have the discipline we have. Let me tell you, I never have to wake up my son one morning to go to school. Him wake himself. Just giving you an example. Him satisfied with what him get. Him not complain over. Him not complain, say him want this, him no want that, him no want the shoes here, no want the bag here. My son, when you whatever you give him accept it, him appreciate it. And let me tell you, there's so much this book can tell you a lot, but I can tell you so much more that is not in this book. You hear me tell you? I am telling you, if I go down into details and express some of the things them about my son, I don't know because I'm my child and I love him. Yes, it's not because of that. But everybody who's around him talk about it. And that is also what give me the confidence Faye can express like this, because it's not just me. It's people that is around him in his circle. Him is not the kind of person who have friends. My son came to America and he don't have one male friend. Is something bad with that? No. One of the reasons he said to me that he was working at this place and he said this guy, both of them were friends. And he said they were friends, he was there for like 3 years. And he came home and he said, Mom, say like him would have say, say John and Wayne are friends for so many years. And John make Wayne go complain upon Wayne I'm workplace and make Wayne lose him work. I don't want no friend. Him friends them when him have when him used to go to high school with at Jamaica, them him can count on him finger, him 5 finger, how much friend him have. Those are him friends. Him still communicate with them. One of them is Nick's, Peter, wherever, Naldo, whatever. Those are him friends, him genuine friends that him have. Him still communicate with them at Jamaica. One of them, when him get married, leave Jamaica and come here, come my wedding, because him did have a visa, could have travel, and him left and him come. And those people are him real friends. Him not have no friends since him coming to this country. How much years now? He not have no friends. So when me tell you, say, he married him wife, he have him wife, and now him daughter and him way. You get what I mean? So I am just saying, and him pretty young. My son is just 23? 23, 24? 23. So when me tell you, say, my son is disciplined, him disciplined, and as me say, nobody not perfect. And me not try to tell him say imperfect. Cause me not perfect. Nobody not perfect. Everybody have their ups and downs. Everybody have them. But as a mother, to me, praise be to God. I pray for my children them. Me not pray a prayer for myself and don't pray for my family. I pray for me. Sometimes I pray for them and I don't even pray for myself. I pray for my family. I love my children them and I try my best to make them do the best. Now them grown. Me can't tell them what to do. Them can't change. Them can't do what them want to do. But me can tell you on and on and on here. Say, my son, him act way more better than some big man when me see out there. And how them treat them woman and how they meet some big great tone man. And that is no joke. I mean, I talk about boy in a female age will grow with them parents. It doesn't have nothing to do with it. And me raise my son, me, and he may raise him to be a good man. And he love his mother, so he will love his wife. And as me say, everybody have flaws. His wife might know things when me don't know. Me not try to dip into that. That is not my concern. Me I talk about me as a mother. What anything him and his wife have, or if they have anything, he have to be with them. You understand? One can't trigger the other. It have to be with them. Them have to do them balance. Them have to balance them thing. I mean, I hear them a complain. So, blessed be to God. And all God's prayers are with them. And growing them like a family and make sure them like a family is doing well. I have to pray for them union, and for God bless them, for raise them child together in a one home. Cause me never have that, him never have that. So, me just pray for them to stick together, can raise them child together as one, one family, and be happy with them life. That I have to pray for. But I am telling you, oh no, not say them things there, because when me look and see boy Pitney we grow with mother and father, I have to dash this out here today. So I hope say, and I get what me I say. Bless upon yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell me if you not think something wrong. Don't hesitate to tell me not feel no way. Okay? So big up on yourself. Enough love, enough peace. Peace.